Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is your chef Vicky Ratnani, and along with your other top chefs, we are creating delicious recipes for every school day. Today we are making vegetable boats. This is a very easy and delicious recipe, at the same time very healthy. So let me show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So heat up a little bit of oil in the pan, and then we're going to be sauteing some onions along with some really nice vegetables. So lightly soften the onions, and then some cabbage and mixed bell peppers, some broccoli. You could use any kind of vegetables which are fresh and which are seasonal. A little bit of salt and pepper, and give this a little mix. Now to add some more nutrition and some more protein into this, we are adding some tofu and some chili flakes, some fresh basil leaves. Fresh vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals. And in the meanwhile, I'm using a whole wheat bread, to which we're going to make a small hole so it resembles a little boat. Simply take out the bread, so to create a small cavity, I'm going to be adding some Kissan Tomato Ketchup into this. To give a nice zing and a fantastic flavor to our vegetables. So our mixture is ready. So fill this mixture sufficiently into the cavity of your bread. So now we're going to add some grated cheese. So take a pan, put a cover on the top, preheat the pan with a nice tight fitting lid so it resembles a nice home style oven, and just lightly bake your boat until the cheese has lightly melted. Wait for your bread to get nicely warm and simply put it inside the tiffin. So let's add a few nice golden and black raisins, some freshly cut pineapple, and finally our lovely vegetable boat. If you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to be back again with some lovely recipes so that you have Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. See you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.